Hey guys, for those who are new to my channel, this is Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this cake. And if you want to learn how to make these cute baby shoes and you hadn't had time to watch my video of last week, please have a look at the end of the video for the link. Hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching. So this is my way of creating this cake. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free. Don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of new videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you next week.